Hi everybody. Today we are going to do the problems from exercise 2.2. Let us see. Before that, we are going to know about zero of polynomial. So what is the zero of polynomial? Zero of polynomial. In before we discussed zero polynomial. What is the zero polynomial? Zero is the zero polynomial. Zero is the zero polynomial. So what is the zero of polynomial? So before that, I have a polynomial 3x square plus 5x minus 7. In generally, the polynomials are denoted by p of x. So polynomial in x, in variable x. So p of x equal to 3x square plus 5x minus 7. I'm replacing x with 1. So instead of x, I'm writing 1. So that is p of 1 equal to 3 into replacing x with 1. X దగ్గర 1 రాస్తున్నాను. 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 7. So that equal to 1 square is 1. 3 into 1 plus 5 ones are 5 minus 7. So here 3 ones are 3 plus 5 minus 7. These two have plus sign. So 3 plus 5 8. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. So this is p of 1. That means the value of polynomial p of x is 1 at x equal to 1. Okay. At x equal to 1, the value of the polynomial is 1. Suppose I have another polynomial s of z equal to z cube minus 1. Polynomials denoted not only p of x, we can write q of x, q of z, s of x, s of z, s of y, like that. So I am finding this value of this polynomial at z equal to 1. So replacing z with 1, that is 1 cube minus 1. 1 cube is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. And I have one more polynomial, p of x equal to 4x square minus 3x plus 7. So find the value of polynomial at x equal to 1. So that is x place లో 1 replace చేస్తున్నాను. 4 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. x place లో 1 రాసాను అంతే. 1 square 1. 1 into 4 is 4. Minus 3 ones are 3 plus 7. Okay. 4 plus 7 is, these two have plus signs. So 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is 8. So the value of polynomial is 8 at x equal to 1. ఈ పాలినామియల్ యొక్క వాల్యూ 8 అవుతుంది ఎక్కడ x ఈక్వల్ 1 వద్ద. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ పాలినామియల్స్ ఎట్ ద గివెన్ వాల్యూ. ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూ దగ్గర, ఇచ్చిన వేరియబుల్ యొక్క వాల్యూ దగ్గర ఆ పాలినామియల్ వాల్యూ అవుతుంది ఇది. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ది పాలినామియల్ ఎట్ z ఈక్వల్ 1, we got 0. Then we say that z equal to 1 is the zero of this polynomial. అంటే ఏంటి, ఒక పాలినామియల్లో వేరియబుల్ ప్లేస్లో ఏ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 0 వస్తుందో, ఏ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 0 వస్తుందో, దట్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ద జీరో ఆఫ్ దిస్ పాలినామియల్. ఓకే, సో ఇది జీరో ఆఫ్ ది పాలినామియల్ అన్నట్టు. అదర్వైజ్ just that is the value of that polynomial at the given variable value. So ఇది zero of the polynomial. So how can you get the zero of the polynomial? Suppose let us take one polynomial x plus 2. Suppose I am taking x equal to minus 2. So I am finding value of the polynomial at x equal to minus 2. So I am replacing x with minus 2. x place లో minus 2 రాస్తున్నాను. minus 2 plus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. That is p of minus 2 is 0. Therefore, we say that minus 2 is the zero of this polynomial. So how can you get the zero of the polynomial? Let us see. It is x plus 2. Take equal to 0. By solving this equation, plus 2 will become minus 2. We'll get the 0 of the polynomial. How can you get the 0 of the polynomial? Take equal to 0 and solve the equation. We'll get the variable value. That value is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, let us take suppose x minus 2. What is the 0 of the polynomial? Suppose p of x equal x minus 2. What is the 0 of this polynomial? First of all, you have to take equal to 0. Then solve the equation. Minus 2 transpose to right side, it will become plus 2. X equal to 2. This 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. So let us verify. P of 2 equal to 2 minus 2. Replacing x with 2. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Let us see. What is the 0 of polynomial x plus a? What is the 0 of polynomial? Just take equal to 0. X equal to plus a transpose to right side minus a. X equal to minus a. 0 of the polynomial of x minus a. Just take equal to 0. X equal to minus a transpose right side plus a. Suppose ax plus b is a polynomial. What is the 0 of the polynomial? Just take equal to 0. Then ax equal to transpose right side minus b. X equal to into a, take right side by a minus b by a. Minus b by a is the 0 of the polynomial of ax plus b. Ax plus b. Minus b by a is the 0 of the polynomial of ax plus b. Suppose ax minus b. So 0 of the polynomial, what is the 0 of the polynomial? Just take equal to 0. Ax equal to minus b, take right side plus b. X equal to into a will become by a. X equal to b by a. This b by a is the 0 of the polynomial of ax minus b. This is the process to find the 0 of polynomial. Okay. So or we can find the 0 of the polynomial by substituting some values by trial and error method. We can find the 0 of the polynomial. అంటే ఒకటి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 0 వస్తుందా లేదా. If it is not, substitute another one. If you will get the 0 at that value, we can decide that is the 0 of the polynomial. అంటే ఒకటి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి అది 0 వస్తే 0 of the polynomial అంటాం, రాకపోతే నెక్స్ట్ ట్రై చేస్తాం. అది వస్తే అది 0 of the polynomial అంటాం, రాకపోతే ఇంకోటి. That is the trial and error method. Otherwise we can find by using this method. By solving the equation, just write equal to 0, it will become a equation. Then solve that equation, we will get the 0 of polynomial. Let us see the exercise. Okay, the question is find the value of polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 when x equal 0, x equal minus 1, x equal to, and fourth one is x equal to 1 by 2. So the given polynomial is p of x equal to 4x square minus 5x plus 3. So in generally polynomials written as p of x denoted as p of x equal to. Okay. Here find the value of p of x. The first one is at x equal to 0. x equal 0 దగ్గర దీని వాల్యూ ఎంతో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. జస్ట్ రీప్లేస్ x విత్ 0. x దగ్గర 0 పెట్టేస్తే 4 into 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 3. 0 square, 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 4 is 0. 5 into 0 is 0 plus 3. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. P of 0 equal to 3. The value of this polynomial is 3 at x equal to 0. Value of p of x is 3 at x equal to 0. Second one is x equal to, at x equal to minus 1. P of x equal to, just replace p of x equal to 4x square minus 5x plus 3. Just replace x with minus 1. So p of minus 1 equal to 4 into minus 1 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 3. Here that equal to minus 1 whole square, minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. 4 into 1. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1 is 1. Here this is bracket means into minus into minus plus 5 ones are 5 plus 5 plus this is 3. It is 3. 4 ones are 4 plus 5 plus 3. 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 3 12. This is p of minus 1 equal to 12. Value of p of x at x equal to minus 1. Next, third one. Given polynomial p of x equal to 4x square minus 5x plus 3. So find at x equal to 2. P of 2 equal to 4 into x square 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 3. 4 into 2 square is 4 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 3. 4 4s are 16 minus 10 plus 3. 16 plus 3 is 19 minus 10. 19 minus 10 is 9. This is p of 2 equal to. Next, fourth one. Fourth one, x equal to 1 by 2. P of x equal to 4x square minus 5x plus 3 at x equal to 1 by 2. That is p of 1 by 2 equal to 4 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 3. 4 into 1 by 2 whole square, 1 square and 2 square. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4 minus 5 ones are 5 by 2 plus 3. 4 ones are get cancelled. We have 1 by 1 is 1 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. So this is plus 1 and plus 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 5 by 2. This is 1. 1 to LCM is 2. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8 minus 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5. That equal 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 by 2. So that is the value of p of x at x equal to 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So okay. Next, second bit. Second one is find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. First one is p of x equal to x square minus x plus 1. So I am writing first one. P of x equal to x square minus x plus 1. So find the value of this polynomial at p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. First one is at p of 0. So just replace x with 0. That is 0 square minus 0 plus 1. 0 square is 0. 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. P of 0 equal to 1. Next, second one, p of 1. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1 minus 1 plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So equal p of 1 equal to 1. Next one is p of 2. So 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square minus 2 plus 1. So 2 square is 4 minus 2 plus 1. These plus 4 plus 1 5. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. P of 2 equal to 3. Next, second one. What is the second one? P of y equal to 2 plus y plus 2y square minus y cube. Okay, yet p of 0. So p of replace y with 0. 0 equal to 2 plus y is 0 plus 2y square 0 square minus y cube 0 cube. Here 0 cube is 0. 0 square is 0. 0 into something is 0. 0 minus 0, whatever, this total is 0. So 0 plus 2 is 2. P of 0 equal to 2. Next, at P of 1. So that equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2y square 1 square minus y cube 1 cube. 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square is 1. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 cube. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 1 minus 1 is 0. Remaining is 2 plus 2 is 4. P of 1 equal to 4. Next, at P of 2. Replacing with 2. 2 as it is. Y is again 2 plus 2 into y square 2 square minus y cube 2 cube. 2 plus 2 plus 2 square is 4. 2 into 4 2 cube. 2 to the power of 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. Multiply 2 3 times, that is 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. That is 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 2 4 the plus 2 4 the 8 minus 8. Plus 8 minus 8 cancel, equal to 4. P of 2 equal to 4. Next, third, fourth, you have to, okay, second one and fourth one is, what is given? P of t equal to t minus 1 into t plus 1. So first one is at P of 0. P of 0 equal to 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1 into 0 plus 1 is 1. Minus into plus minus 1 1 is 1. P of 0 equal to minus 1. At P of 1. At P of 1. P of 1 equal to 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 into 2 is 0. P of 1 equal to 0. Yet P of 2. P of 2 equal to t place lo 2. 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 into 3, 3. P of 2 equal to 3. సో దీంట్లో రిమైనింగ్ మీరు చేయండి, చేస్తే మీకు ఇంకా పర్ఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, నెక్స్ట్ బిట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్ ఈస్ వెరిఫై వెదర్ ద వాల్యూస్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ గివెన్ ఇన్ ఈచ్ కేస్ ఆర్ ద జీరోస్ ఆఫ్ ద పాలినామియల్ ఆర్ నాట్. సో ఇన్ ఈచ్ కేస్ given some value of variable, the value is 0 of this polynomial or not, that you have to verify. Okay, ప్రతిసారి ప్రాబ్లంకి పాలినామియల్ ఆపోజిట్లో వేరియబుల్ వాల్యూ ఇచ్చాడు, ఆ వేరియబుల్ వాల్యూ ఆ పాలినామియల్కి 0 ఆఫ్ ది పాలినామియల్ అవుతుందా లేదా చూడమన్నాడు. లెట్ us see the first one. Given one is p of x equal to 2x plus 1. What you have to find? X equal to minus 1 by 2. Just replace x with minus 1 by 2. That equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 into x is minus 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So that equal to 1 into 1 1. So before that plus into minus minus 1 into 1 1. 1 by 1 is 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. P of minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Therefore x equal to minus 1 by 2 is 0 of the polynomial. Okay, next second one is p of x equal to, given one is p of x equal to 5x minus pi. So what you have to take, replace x with minus 3 by 2. So that is p of minus 3 by 2 equal to 5 into x is minus 3 by 2 minus pi. Minus pi is 22 by 7. Plus into minus, minus 5 3s are 15 by 2 minus 22 by 7. So here both have minus sign. So you have to add. To add these two, you have to find the LCM. 2 7 LCM is, their product is, that is 2 7s are 14. So, minus 2 7s are 14, 15 7s are 105, minus 7 2s are 14, 22 2s are 44. That equals minus 149. Both has minus sign, so you have to add by 40. This is p of x equals. It is not equal to 0. It is 0 kaadu. Therefore x equal minus 3 by 2 is not a 0 of the polynomial of p of x. That you have to write. X equal to minus 3 by 2 is not a 0 of polynomial of p of x, or p of x equal to 5x minus pi. So next one is, what is given, p of x equal to x square minus 1. So x equal to plus or minus 1. You have to take 2. X equal 1 once and x equal minus 1 next. Rendu తీసుకోవాలి, x equal 1 తీసుకోవాలి, x equal to minus 1. So I am taking first x equal to 1. P of 1 equal to 1 square minus 1. So that is 1 square is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. P of 1 equal to 0. Next I am taking x equal to minus 1. That is p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole square minus 1. Minus 1 whole square, that is minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1. So that is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So in both cases we got 0. Therefore x equal to plus or, okay, x equal to plus or minus 1 or 0 of polynomial p of x. Next sixth one, fourth one, fifth one are you have to do. The fourth and fifth you have to do. P of x equal to ax plus b. X equal to minus b by a. P of minus b by a equal to a into x is minus b by a plus b. A get cancel, remaining minus b plus b. Minus b plus b cancel, 0. That is p of minus b by a equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus b by a is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial p of x. Next remaining problems. Okay, seventh one is f of x equal to 3x square minus 1, where x equal to minus 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3. So given polynomial f of x equal to 3x square minus 1. So first of all, let x equal to minus 1 by root 3. F of replacing x with minus 1 by root 3 equal to 3 into x square minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1. That equal to, this is 3 into minus 1 by root 3 whole square. It means minus 1 whole square, root 3 square. Minus 1 square is minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. Root 3 square is 3. So since root 3 whole square equal to square root get cancel equal to 3, or root 3 whole square is root 3 into root 3, that equal to root 9. Can write as a single root. So root 9 equal to 3, whatever. So that is 3 minus 1 as it is. 3 ones are 3 ones are. It is in numerator. So numerator, and it is in denominator. So 3 ones are 3 ones are. 1 by 1 is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So f of minus 1 by root 3 equal to 0. Next one is 2 by root 3. At 2 by root 3. So this is at x equal to minus 1 by 3 at 2 by root 3. So here that is f of 2 by, so it is root 3. 2 by root 3 equal to 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1. 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1. 3 into 2 square is 4. Root 3 whole square is 3 minus 1. 3 get cancel. 4 minus 1, that equal to 3. F of 2 by root 3 equal to 3. At x equal to minus 1 by root 3, we got 0. Therefore, 2 by minus 1 by root 3 is the 0 of polynomial f of x, that you have to write here. Only x equal to minus 1 by root 3 is 0 of polynomial f of x, that you have to write in full. Okay, next, what is given? F of x equal to 2x minus 1. First one, you have to find at x equal to 1 by 2. First one is at x equal to 1 by 2. So substituting that value, f of 1 by 2 equal to 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. In place of x, we written 1 by 2. 2 ones are, it is in numerator, 2 ones are 2. 1 minus 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So f of 1 by 2 equal to 0. Second one is yet x equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So this is at x equal to minus 1 by 2. So f of, in place of x, writing minus 1 by 2 equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Plus into minus, minus 1 into 1, 1 minus 1. Both have minus, so minus 2. So f of minus 1 by 2 equal to, got minus 2. So yet x equal to 1 by 2, we got 0. Therefore x equal to 1 by 2 is the 0 of polynomial what? P of x. Or you can write P of x equal to 2x minus 1. Here also you can write like that. We omitted some problems that you have to do yourself. It makes perfect to you. Next bit, fourth one is, okay, find the 0 of the polynomials of each of the following. So in that first one is f of x equal to x plus 2. First of all, you have to take f of polynomial equal to 0. Okay, therefore x plus 2 equal to 0. By solving this equation, you can get the 0 of the polynomial. X equal to, transfer to right side, it will become minus 2. So x equal to minus 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. X equal to minus 2 is 0 of the polynomial f of x. First of all, you have to take polynomial f of x equal to 0. Then it will become x minus 2 equal to 0. By solving this equation, we will get the 0 of the polynomial. Minus 2 transfer to right side. Plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Therefore, x equal to 2 is the 0 of polynomial f of x. Next, let us take f of x equal to 0. Then 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So 2x equal to plus 3 transpose right side minus 3. X equal to into 2 will become minus 2. So therefore x equal to minus 3 by 2 is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial f of x. Next one is same. Take f of x equal to 0. You can write let, we are just assuming let. It is not given, let it be 0. Just we are taking. So 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 3 will become plus 3. X equal to into 2 will become by 2. So therefore x equal to 3 by 2 is the 0 of polynomial. 0 of f of x. Next, fifth one is let f of x equal to 0. Therefore x square equal to 0. So x square equal to 0 means x equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 0 is the 0 of polynomial f of x. Next, sixth one is f of x equal to p of x, where p not equal to 0. If p equal to 0, it will become 0 polynomial. Okay. Let f of x equal to 0, then p of x equal to, px equal to 0. That is x equal to into p will become by p, 0 by p. That is x equal to 0 by something is 0. So therefore x equal to 0 is the 0 of polynomial. 0 of polynomial f of x. Next, last one is f of x equal to px plus q. P not equal to 0. P comma q are real numbers. Just p comma q are real numbers. They are not variables. They are arbitrary constants. So here let f of x equal to 0. Therefore px plus q equal to 0. So px equal to, it will become minus q. X equal to minus q, it is into p will become by p. So x equal to minus, x equal to minus q by p is the 0 of polynomial. 0 of polynomial f of x. Okay. So this is fourth bit. Next, fifth bit. Fifth one is if 2 is a 0 of polynomial p of x equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. Find the value of a. So this is the given polynomial. So the question is, if 2 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, then find a. You have to find this a. So what is given? 2 is the 0 of polynomial. 0 of polynomial. Okay. Therefore p of 2 equal to 0. If it is 0 of the polynomial, by replacing x with 2, it will gives జీరో. దట్ మీన్స్ పీ ఆఫ్ 2 ఈక్వల్ టు జీరో. ఇది జీరో ఆఫ్ ది పాలినామియల్ అయిందంటే ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో 2 పెడితే ఇది పీ ఆఫ్ 2 ఈక్వల్ టు జీరో అవుతుంది అని అర్థం. సో దట్ మీన్స్ పీ ఆఫ్ 2 ఈక్వల్ టు 2 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ 2 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 3 ఇంటూ 2 ప్లస్ 7a. ఇట్ ఈక్వల్ టు జీరో. సో 2 ఇంటూ 2 స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ 4 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 7a equal to 0. 2 4s are 8 minus 6 plus 7a equal to 0. 8 minus 6 is 2 plus 7a equal to 0. 7a equal to plus 2 will become minus 2. A equal to minus 2 by 7. This is the A. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Find the values of a and b. What is given? F of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b is a polynomial. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of this polynomial, then find a, b. So what are the zeros of the polynomial? First one is 0. That is f of 0 equal to 0. So therefore f of 0 equal to 2 into 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b equal to 0. So it is 0 of the polynomial means by replacing x with 0 it gives 0. That equal to 0 cube is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. 0 square is 0. 0 into 3 is 0. Plus a into 0, 0. Plus b equal to 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus b is b. b equal to 0. The next condition. What is the next one? 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. Therefore, 1 is also a zero of the polynomial. Therefore, f of 1 equal to 0. That means f of 1 equal to 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b equal to 0. That equal to 2 into 1 cube is 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1 minus 1 square is 1, 3 1s are 3 plus a into 1 is a plus b equal to 0. Here 2 1s are 2 minus 3 plus a plus b equal to 0. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus a plus b equal to 0. Already we know that b equal to 0. Substitute b equal to 0. Minus 1 plus a plus 0. In place of b, written 0 equal to 0. Minus 1. 0 plus something is something, that is a equal to 0. A equal to minus 1 transpose to right side, it become plus 1. So that is 0 plus 1 is 1. A equal to 1. Therefore, a equal to 1, b equal to 0. Okay, this is exercise 2.3. ఈ వీడియో కనుక నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మీరు ఏమైనా సలహాలు సూచనలు ఇవ్వదలుచుకుంటే కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో రాయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.